All right, so everyone's been wondering, right, like what's going to happen with crypto in 2025?
Yeah,
We're taking a deep dive today looking at predictions by Alpha Sigma Capital.
cool.
Um, and I guess like setting the stage right, this year, 2024,
Uh-huh.
big thing was like public markets opening up to crypto
Yeah, well,
companies,
definitely, yeah.
Bitcoin getting adopted by like major global businesses,
Yeah, definitely seeing a lot more of that.
and the pens.
Yes.
Those decentralized physical infrastructure networks really starting to take off.
Yes, absolutely.
And I guess Alpha Sigma thinks all these trends are going to keep going in 2025.
Yeah, they're predicting some really interesting things. So, like, they think
Yeah.
public markets are going to become, like, the main way crypto companies get funding in 2025,
Oh, wow.
especially as regulations get more clear, you know?
Yeah, that makes sense.
And we might even see, like, a bunch of new ETFs, too.
Oh, really?
Like, Bitwise is planning on launching some for Ethereum Solana XRP.
So does that mean like crypto investing is going to be like way more mainstream?
Yeah, it's possible. I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
ETFs make it so much easier for regular people to invest in crypto.
Right?
Like, they don't have to, like, figure out all the technical stuff with tokens and exchanges.
True, yeah.
But, I mean, mainstream adoption is going to depend on more than just, like, accessibility, right? It's also public perception, how regulations develop and how the technology itself evolves.
Yeah, definitely makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
So another interesting prediction Alpha Sigma had was about Bitcoin.
Uh-huh. Mm-hmm.
They think that Amazon might actually start adding Bitcoin to its like treasury reserves.
Wow.
But Microsoft, they think, will probably resist it.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, so like why do they think that? Why such different approaches?
I think it kind of comes down to, like, risk tolerance, you know?
Okay. Yeah.
Amazon is all about, like, being innovative and forward-thinking.
Yeah, always.
So they might see Bitcoin as, like, a hedge against inflation,
Okay.
or maybe even, like, a strategic move in, like, the changing financial system.
Yeah.
But Microsoft is a lot more cautious. Mm-hmm. They care a lot about stability and following regulations.
That's true. Yeah.
So they might just see Bitcoin as, like, too risky.
Yeah, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
But I wonder, like, if a company takes a stand on Bitcoin, could that actually, like, affect their image?
Totally. Especially with, like, younger people who are into tech.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
And what if, like, one of these big companies makes a move with Bitcoin,
Mm-hmm.
and it turns out to be super successful? Will the other one, like, have to follow them?
Right. Those are the million-dollar questions nobody knows for sure.
Exactly.
That's it.
Kind of scary, but also really exciting.
Definitely. So it's not just about big companies, though, right?
What else?
Alpha Sigma also thinks there's going to be some major technological changes in crypto next year.
Uh-huh.
They say, like, AI agents are going to be a game changer.
Okay. I need you to explain that one.
Sure. So basically, imagine having, like, a robo-financial advisor
Okay.
that's always working for you in the digital world.
Mm-hmm.
Like, it's constantly looking at market trends, making trades 24/7.
That's crazy.
Yeah, that's AI agents. It's like having a superpowered robot
Oh,
managing your crypto.
but isn't that kind of risky? Like giving your money to a robot to control.
I mean, yeah, there are definitely concerns about security and control.
Yeah.
But think about the potential benefits.
Okay.
AI agents could make DeFi way easier to use, even for people who aren't experts.
Okay, so it's like making financial expertise available to anyone.
Exactly.
That's actually really cool. I never thought about it like that.
Yeah, there's a lot of potential there.
So another term that Alpha Sigma mentioned that I'm not familiar with,
Uh-huh.
futurky.
Oh, yeah.
And they think this is going to be a big deal for DAOs in 2025.
Okay.
Honestly, I have no idea what that word means.
It's actually a pretty simple concept.
Okay.
So basically, with futurky, instead of, like, voting on proposals based on opinions,
Yeah.
DAO members would actually bet on what they think the outcome of different decisions will be.
Okay, so it's kind of like using the wisdom of the crowd.
Right. But with, like, data to back it up.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
And then the system automatically picks the action that's most likely to have the best results.
So this could lead to DAOs being like more efficient and making better decisions.
That's the idea, yeah. Minimize biases, make decisions that benefit the whole DAO.
That's really interesting.
Yeah, it's a cool concept.
So what about Ethereum? What does Alpha Sigma think is going to happen with that?
They think Ethereum staking ETFs are going to be a big driver of growth.
Okay, what are those?
So basically, these ETFs would let institutional investors, like big companies,
Uh-huh.
get a share of the rewards from staking Ethereum,
Oh, interesting.
which could make the demand for ETH go way up.
Okay, so if I'm holding Ethereum, does that mean like these ETFs could actually affect the value of my holdings?
Yeah, it's definitely something to keep an eye on.
Gotcha.
More institutional interest usually leads to higher prices.
Right.
But the crypto market is still pretty volatile, so who knows?
That's true.
Yeah, a lot of factors could affect the price.
Okay, so last thing from Alpha Sigma that I wanted to talk about is ZKPW.
Oh, yeah, ZKP value.
That sounds so
I
complicated.
know it sounds scary, but it's actually pretty cool.
Right?
It combines like the best parts of zero knowledge proofs
Okay.
and proof of work.
Right.
So it could make blockchains way more efficient and scalable.
So could this help the pins grow even faster?
Exactly.
Wow, that's incredible. Think about it, like decentralized energy grids,
Uh-huh.
computing networks, all powered by ZKPOA.
It's really mind-blowing.
It is, yeah. It's like a whole new world.
Mm-hmm.
And speaking of impact beyond just finance,
Right.
Alpha Sigma also made some predictions about how blockchain technology could change other things in our lives.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
They're really excited about cross-border payments.
Yeah, imagine being able to send money anywhere in the world,
Uh-huh.
like instantly and with almost no fees.
Yeah, that would be incredible.
That's the goal of decentralized payment systems.
Wow.
And Alpha Sigma thinks we'll see a lot of progress in that area in 2025.
It would be a huge deal for businesses and individuals.
Oh,
Like, it could empower people in ways we can't even imagine right now.
absolutely.
And it's not just payments either. Alpha Sigma thinks governments are going to start taking Bitcoin more seriously too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, like not just as an investment,
Mm-hmm.
but as a tool for innovation,
Interesting.
like maybe issuing government bonds on the Bitcoin blockchain
Wow.
or creating central bank digital currencies that are pegged to Bitcoin.
That would be a major shift.
It would. It would mean that crypto has really gone mainstream.
Totally.
Yeah, so many exciting changes on the horizon.
It's definitely an exciting time to be involved in crypto.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
But like every new technology, there are going to be challenges, right?
Definitely. I mean, there's still a lot of uncertainty about regulations,
Yeah.
concerns about security, and a lot of people need to learn more about how crypto actually works.
Yeah, totally.
Mm.
So what do you think?
Well, it's hard to say for sure what will happen,
Yeah.
but based on these predictions, it seems like 2025 could be a big year for crypto.
Yeah, for sure.
A lot of potential for growth and innovation.
Absolutely. Well, that wraps up our deep dive into Alpha Sigma Capital's predictions for 2025.
Mm-hmm.
It's a future with tons of opportunity, but also some potential risks.
Definitely.
So what do you all think? How do you think these trends are going to play out?
Right. What role are you going to play in shaping the future of crypto?
It's going to be an interesting ride for sure.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Thanks for joining us today on our deep dive.
Yeah, thanks for listening.
See you next time.
Bye.